Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ankita. Let's see what are the messages for you. Do like and subscribe to my channel. We have Seven of Pentacles, efforts, hard work. You have put in a lot of efforts in the relationship, and I feel that you are also waiting for the opposite person to put in the same efforts. It is a long term relationship. I also feel it's a long distance relationship, but it's like you have always put in the efforts in the relationship. You were the one putting in efforts for the last 6 to 7 years. 7 years, I feel, or even if it is a 7 months relationship, you are the one who's doing all the work, like planning dates, or making calls, or messaging. So it's like you are doing everything in the relationship, taking all the responsibility. And I feel that you are waiting for the other person, for the opposite person to do the same. Will the efforts, will they put in efforts? Will they show you the same love you are showing for so much time now? Pentacles, Five of Pentacles. See, you feel alone, you feel broken, you feel betrayed, you feel, even after having a partner, you feel that you are walking alone on this path of this relationship. I also feel that at the start it was very good for a period of time, like 1 to 2 years if it is a long term relationship, or I feel 1 to 2 months. uh, at the start it was really good, but later on things started to mess up. There were fights, you felt alone, they stopped putting in efforts. Maybe they were behind money, or also I feel that you also paid everything, like whenever you went out, you were the one who was paying, planning dates. I also feel that money is involved here in this relationship. 5 and 7 are important numbers. King of Pentacles. You need to be very firm. You need to take a decision which is in your favor, which is going to help you out. You need to keep things with you. You have to take care of the money you spend. You have to be very cautious now. Something is I feel, yeah, something is missing over here, and you need to be very particular about putting in efforts now. And all the three cards are pentacles. Maybe you or your person is earth sign. It is you are wanting stability, but the person is showing coldness. Five seems to be very important as a number here. The Chariot. Things are going to change. There is going to be a movement. There is going to be some kind of like if their energy was stuck, it is going to move. I feel they did not know they did not see your emotions, they did not care about your emotions, but something has changed. Maybe you already started backing off, or not putting in the efforts, or putting less efforts. So now maybe they are realizing and their emotions are rising. It's like if you see black and white, it's like two different emotions. So first their emotions were very different, and now their emotions are almost getting changed. Twin flame energy, soulmates. Twin flames have a very difficult journey, and I feel here this relationship was very difficult. One, you were chasing, and they were running from this relationship, but the coin has flipped. Now you have become the one who is going to let go of it, because it's like you have put in the efforts, and you're not getting any response, any return. So it is a equal give and take. But the moment you thought of moving out, or taking care of yourself, putting yourself first, their emotions are changing. They are, coming to meet you, or they might message you or call you the fool. See, but it's like, now it's your decision. You want to take that risk, you want to, make this a new beginning. It is all up to you. Your comfort is important in this relationship. If you're comfortable in this relationship, if you feel the relationship has to be very easy, it shouldn't be like, always worrying or always putting in all the efforts, and then at the end of the day thinking that, you're doing everything but nothing, you're not getting anything in return. So that is the message over here with the Fool card, I feel. So it's like it is up to you, it is your risk, it is your free will. Your intuitions will guide you with this. Two of cups, equality. You want this, you want equality, you want equal give and take. See, if you see, the cups are like on equal level. There's nothing like, you are up or you are down. So I feel this change is going to, make a very big difference in your life. They are, this with this card, I feel, yes, they are going to change. Maybe it can take 2 months, or in 2 days they might message you or call you if you're in no contact situation. But yes, there is a difference in them. I also feel that you should manifest love. You should not manifest a person. If you are doing so, manifest that, you get equal love. I'm just looking at the card, seeing if we have any more messages. Yellow seems to be very important. Yellow color. To yeah, see, Knight of Pentacles. They are definitely coming in with that love, stability. Even they want the same love and stability. They are missing the, efforts which you put in the relationship, and they have realized their mistake. It's like they are returning the love which you gave them by giving you more love and care. With this card is definitely, it seems that, there is going to be equality, there is going to be equal love, care, efforts, and this is going to make you emotionally very balanced. Pentacles have, almost all the cards have been pentacles and cups. So I feel stability, value, respect, emotions, or, they can be water sign, you can be water sign, but yes, definitely there is going to be a new beginning. I hope you like this reading, and I'll meet you next time. Bye.